what I wanted to ask you is that why is there a thorough probe that is important? And what is the need for this probe to really, be covering all of these important aspects right now?
Hi, Srishi. Thank you for inviting me as a expert on this topic. So I would like to tell you that Vedanta boiler accident is not the only single accident happening in India. There are several accidents happened in series in last year, if you see, and a lot of people died. So if a investigation happens, accident investigation happen, we can reach to the root cause of the incident. So as the investigation is under process, so we may get to know various aspects why the accident has happened. But I would like to draw the attention of the people on various aspects particular to this case and in general to other cases why in India this is happening. So particular to this case, what I believe, although it is in the media, the accident has happened because of high pressure, over pressure has taken the boiler to the explosion part because a tube has got leaked and there was a steam leakage and there was a fuel accumulation. So due to the domino effect, a lot of other series of incidents have happened and then a serious major explosion has occurred. So this is related to process incident. But majorly, if we see why the tragedies are happening, so this is basically absolutely failure of various elements. One is the process failure element, that risk management has not been done or it has not been implemented properly so that the accident could be prevented. The people mainly in India focus on mitigation part, that after the accident has happened, let's do the accident investigation. While in India, the culture should be that risk assessment should be done and all the preventive measures should be taken so that accident can be prevented. So it's a cultural issue. So there can be various other factors also, that workplace factors can also be there, human factors can also be there, process factors can also be there, maintenance factors can also be there. So there can be lot of system issues also, that complete safety management system gaps can also be there. So there can be behavioral or cultural issues can also be there. So let's wait for the accident report and see that what are the main root causes.
No, absolutely. It looks like it could be a confluence of factors and very difficult to pinpoint exactly what it could be, at least at this point in the investigation. But speaking of preventive measures that you've highlighted, what safety mechanisms like alarms, interlocks or shutdown systems are meant to prevent this, and where do you think gaps can really be occurring then?
When we talk about the preventive strategy, so in preventive strategy, the first part is that there are two type of things. One is the process. This is typically a process incident. So in the process, we do need to carry out the HAZOP study. HAZOP study is mainly about hazard and operability study of particular process operations. And the second type of risk assessment is the workplace risk assessment, which is about hazard identification and risk assessment of activity based risk. So when we talk about the preventive strategy in the process, so we need to see that there should be proper alarms, there should be basic process control system, there should be emergency process shutdown system, there should be, so these are the part of the preventive strategy. So when we go to the mitigation strategy, so there should be passive systems like fire protections, or there should be relief walls, or they should be ruptured discs. So these kind of if controls are maintained, or if the mechanical integrity part, like the maintenance procedures are up to date and the people are well trained, they're qualified, they're certified, and the NDT inspection checks are done on time, and the right kind of material is being put, or the process is typically operated at the design intent. It is not away from the design intent. So these are all the preventive mechanisms that can be taken into the study.
No, absolutely.